In this video, we're going to look at low cap coins on the Solana network because yes, I'm extremely bullish on the Solana network and I could expect this massive pump towards the upside, breaking its previous all-time high sooner than Bitcoin does, and that we're at least going to reach a price target of $1,000 for Solana within this bull market. But guys, in today's video, we're going to find out why we could expect this massive pump for Solana, and we're also going to look at 4 low cap coins that could really see a massive pump towards the upside. And we're still early because yes, some of these coins are even under 15 million US dollars in market cap. So this is really early to see a massive pump towards the upside. But first of all, let's find out why Solana is really going to make a change and that we could expect this massive pump towards the upside. And we're going to start with this post. Solana brings significant advantages compared to other blockchains: high scalability, low transaction fees, fast transaction speed, smart contracts enabling various applications. So we can see on this graph the 15 blockchains by total transactions in October. Yes, this is from the 2nd of November, but we can see that the total transactions for Solana is the highest with 528 million. So we can see a lot of volume on the Solana network. And yes guys, I made a dedicated video about 11 airdrops on the Solana network. And that is why we're also seeing this massive volume on the Solana network. So make sure to watch this video to receive these massive airdrops. Yes, we already saw 2 airdrops, but guys, there's still 9 left. And we are going to look at the price movement of Solana. And we can see that the all-time high was round about the $250 level. And then we saw this prolonged bear market. We came all the way back down to the lows exactly here where we formed the bottom, and now we're seeing this massive pump towards the upside. And at the moment the price of Solana is round about the $80, but I expect this fast move breaking the $100 and coming even all the way up to the $140 level. But yes, now we're going to look at the volume exactly here, and yes, we're seeing this massive pump for the volume on the Solana network. So we could expect this follow through and that we're going to see that Solana is going to outperform Ethereum, because yes, I really do believe that Solana is going to outperform Ethereum within this bull market. Yes, we're seeing a major adoption when it comes to BlackRock and the ETF on Ethereum. But I think that the major institutions are going to use Ethereum. But guys, with these high gas fees and the low transaction fees on the Solana network, I think that Solana has a bright future. So let's go over to the first coin. And yes, this is Jupiter from Jupiter Swap, and this is also included in the airdrop guide because yes, they already had this airdrop. But guys, some of these exchanges like Uniswap, they had a secondary airdrop, so it would definitely make sense to swap all of your coins over on Jupiter to receive maybe a future secondary airdrop. And yes, the first coin is JLP, Jupiter coin, which was launched exactly here on the 13th of November, and we saw this slow sideways movement, and this is extremely good because we didn't have a major sell-off or even a major pump yet, so we could expect this massive pump towards the upside. And exactly here I also bought when I was doing the airdrop guide where I had to stake JLP on the Jupiter network, and exactly I bought my first JLP exactly here. And I also loaded up exactly today where I bought these lows at round about $1.60. So yes, I expect this massive pump towards the upside, because if we go over to the fully diluted market cap, which is round about 23 million, this is still early guys. And we can see that it has 5,490 holders. So guys, you're buying the bottom before the major hype is going to start, and a lot of people are going to stake all of their Solana on the Jupiter network or dollar cost average using this exchange. So yes, this could be a great opportunity to buy JLP exactly here with a market cap of 24 million. Guys, we're buying the lows, and if we go down, this is a great tool where we can see all the trades. You can see a lot of people are buying JLP at the moment, and we can see that also the 24-hour trade volume has gone up by 10%. So yes, this is the first coin that I'm invested in, JLP, as a low cap coin on the Solana network. So let's go over to the next coin, which is Decimated. And Decimated is a game on the Solana network. It is a multiplayer third-person blockchain survival role-play NFT game. And guys, yes, this is still early because this game isn't launched yet, and if we look at the gameplay, this is extremely good. And I think it has a bright future and that a lot of people will play this game. So yes guys, if we're going to look at the coin over on Bird Eye, we can see it had a pump already, and yes, we can see it was launched in the bull market highs exactly in the year 2021, and we saw this dump all the way back down, and we found the perfect bottom exactly here, and I bought Decimated exactly here today at the levels of 4 cents, because yes, if we're going to look at the total market cap, which is round about 47 million, this is still extremely low, but we can also see the 24-hour trade volume is gone up by 12%. So yes guys, this low cap I think has some major potential if we're going to buy it exactly here before the game is even launched, and we could expect this massive pump towards the upside, because if we're going to get all the way up where we have been in the year 2021 where it was launched, all the way to these levels, this would be a pump of 1055%, all the way from the price movement all the way to the launch date exactly here. But guys, if we're going to see this launch of this game and this coin will be used within the game, we could expect a massive pump towards the upside, because all these players have to buy the coin, and this could mean that yes, we're going to see a surge in the price movement. So yes, I would invest in DIO exactly here, because I could expect that we're going to see some major adoption with this game called Decimated, and we're not going to lose any time. Let's go over to the next coin or the next project, which is Mango Market. And yes, Mango Market is also going to do an airdrop, but guys, this is not confirmed yet, but I didn't include it in my guide because I got this information later. But you can use Mango Markets to swap, trade, borrow. You can trade on the spot market or in the perpetual market, but guys, this would give you a great opportunity to use Mango Markets to maybe receive an airdrop. But let's go over to the coin which is called Mango, MNGO. And we can see that yes, we saw some major price movements within Mango, but if we're going to look at the fully diluted market cap, which is roundabout at 126 million, we could expect that guys, we're going to see a massive pump towards the upside, because this looks like a massive breakout. We're also seeing that volume comes in exactly here, where the price movement is forming this ascending triangle, forming higher lows, and this is extremely bullish, and this could mean that we're going to get this massive pump. But if we're going to look at these price swings that we had exactly here, all the way from the price movement we are at the moment, we had this massive price swing all the way to the high of yes 7,844%. So guys, yes, if you're going to invest into these low cap coins, please invest with a small amount, because yes, there's a little bit of risk, but buying in these lows with this low market cap, we could expect that a lot of buyers are going to enter the market, and if we're going to get this massive pump towards the upside, yes, this would be a profit of over 8,000%. But yes, after this we are in price discovery mode, and in the bull market we could really see a massive explosion if we're going to see the use of Mango Markets. But guys, the next coin that I'm going to show you has an extreme low market cap. Yes, we're going to look at Dark Protocol, private money, private liquidity, and private communication. So this is all anonymous. So this is going to maybe be a major factor within the next bull market, where we could see a massive adoption when it comes to anonymity and private money and private communication. So yes, let's go over to this coin, and it has an extreme low market cap of yes 15 million, 15.3 to be exact. And we can see that the 24-hour volume gone up by 370%. And the 24-hour trades gone up by 146%. So yes guys, I bought exactly here, and yes, I bought the top, because I could expect if we're going to see this 24-hour volume go even higher, and we're going to see this massive pump towards the upside with this low fully diluted market cap of 15.3 million, we could expect this massive move towards the upside. And yes, if we're going to see this move to the $10 level, which would make sense if we're going to see this move and this major liquidity entering the markets for Dark, we could expect this pump of only 1,200%, and I'm saying only because this is not going to be the last price target. We could expect this massive run towards the upside within this bull market, because I think we're going to see a massive hype when it comes to private money, private liquidity, and private communication in these times that we are in. And yes, with this low market cap, we could expect a massive explosion towards the upside, maybe even 100 to 1000x if we're going to invest into this coin. So yes guys, these are my low cap coins that I'm invested in at the moment, because I see a high potential in the Solana network, and with these major airdrops and these low transaction fees, I really do believe that buying these low caps is really going to make a huge difference within your portfolio. And guys, remember, if you want to receive these free airdrops, make sure to watch this video exactly now, because yes, there I'm showing you step by step how to qualify for these major airdrops, and you also know how to use JupiterSwap to buy all of these coins. Make sure to be for crypto, smash up the like button and subscribe, and we see each other in the next video.